In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a user in Snowflake. Now, whether you're a database administrator or just someone tasked with this responsibility, it's crucial to know how to efficiently manage user accounts, especially when it comes to dealing with those pesky lockouts that can occur after multiple failed login attempts. It can be frustrating for users and can disrupt their workflow, so let's dive into how you can quickly resolve this issue. First off, let's get a basic understanding of what happens. When a user enters incorrect login credentials too many times in Snowflake, their account becomes temporarily locked as a security measure. This prevents any additional login attempts until either the lock timer expires naturally or the account is manually unlocked by an administrator. This is where we come in. Instead of waiting around for the lock timer to reset itself, which can take some time depending on the configuration, we can use a simple command to unlock the user almost instantly. Now let's jump into the command you will need to use. The command in question is alter user, a powerful SQL command used to change properties of an existing user account within Snowflake. By altering this particular property, we can reset the lock timer for a specific user. Here is how you do it. You need to execute the following command: alter user, followed by the actual username of the locked account. Instead of using a placeholder like you will input the specific username of the person who is locked out. Lastly, we set the mins to unlock option to 0. So, the full command will look something like this: alter user, username, set mins to unlock equal 0. What this command does is effectively tell Snowflake to reset that timer to 0 right away. Once you run this command, the account should be unlocked immediately, and the user will be able to attempt logging in again without further delay. Keep in mind, you'll need to have the necessary administrative privileges to execute this command, as it involves altering user properties. A couple of final tips here. First, ensure that you double-check the username to avoid unlocking the wrong account. And second, it's always a good idea to communicate with the user. Make sure they're aware that their account is unlocked and they can attempt to log in once again. If they continue having trouble, it might be worth double-checking that they have the correct credentials or re-evaluating any additional security measures that might be causing issues. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to unlock a user in Snowflake. Remember, this is an admin-level task, so exercise caution and ensure you're adhering to your organization's policies regarding user account management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Snowflake environment efficiently.